Hi viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to turn off vibration of touchpad and keyboard while typing texts. Let's begin the video. To turn off the vibration, follow these steps. Go to Setting. Then click Special Function. And scroll down to Accessibility. And swipe down to Vibration and Haptics. Then off the touch feedback and media touch. To turn off the keyboard typing vibration, go to Messages and go to Setting of Keyboard. Then Sound and Vibration. Turn off vibration from here. In next video I will inform you about amazing features of Tecno Camon 20. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press bell icon for more updates.